Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2025 for all the 60 days ascendant. So, first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Sagittarian ascendant people, Sun controls your ninth house, and right now, Sun is very into your third house in the sign of Aquarius, along with third house Lord Saturn. Sun will stay into your third house till 14th March 2025. After 14 months, Sun will move from your third house to your fourth house in the sign of Pisces. Ninth house deal with your higher education, means your post-grade education, your religious knowledge, religious inclination, your pilgrimages, long distance travel, rules, regulation, your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor. All of this thing is represented by ninth house. How lucky you are, how fortunate you are, also represented by ninth house. So your ninth house Lord is starting from your third house. So from third house, Sun is also aspecting its own house. So your ninth house will be in its good position, in aspecting its own sign. Means your ninth house will be in a good position in the month of March. So we can expect great result regarding your education related matter, regarding your teachers, mentor, guider, advisors. After 14th of March, the Sun will move from your third house to your fourth house. There are many planets are right now present into your fourth house in the sign of Pisces. So you may face some type of difficulties if your work is somehow connected to politics. Yeah, you are a public figure, then we can expect you may face some type of difficulty during this time. So you have to be take care after 14th of March. Mercury controls your seventh house and your 10th house. And right now, Mercury is also visiting to your fourth house in the sign of Pisces. There is important thing about Mercury being present in the sign of Pisces. Mercury is considered as debilitated in the sign of Pisces. And also, Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion around 15th March. So 10th house deal with your work environment, whatever you're doing is seen from 10th house, like higher level work or lower level work, both the work, like what you are doing in this life right now is seen from 10th house, referenced by 10th house. Your authority, how far you can go to carry your recognition, your fame, your superior, your bosses, all of these things are rated by 10th house. Seventh house will be your marriage, your spouse, your legal body, your agreement things, your commitments, long term, your business partnership. All of these things are rated by seventh house. How you will meet other, and somehow your fame along with 10th house is also from seventh house. So your 10th house and seventh house Lord is right now present in the sign of Pisces into your fourth house and about to turn into its retrograding. So you need to be very careful regarding your work, regarding your image, regarding your superior and bosses. You may face some type of confrontation from your superior bosses at your workplace. Also, if you are married, then you have to be very careful regarding your spouse and business partnership related matter. If you have any business in partnership right now, you may face disturbance during this time period. So you have to be very careful regarding all of these matters. Venus controls your 11th house and your 6th house. And right now, Venus is also prevalent into your 4th house in the sign of Pisces. Pisces sign consider an exotic sign for Venus. And 11th house deal with your gains, your incoming gains, your elder brothers and sisters, your friend circle, your professional circle, your recognition, your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of hopes and wishes of great gains in life, great opportunities in life also rotated by 11th house. 6th house is with your court case, litigation, your arguments, your five in day routine in context of work, your loans, your debt. All of these things are represented by 6th house. Your hidden enemies, like people who are against you, are also seen from 6th house. So your 6th house and 11th house will be in exalted position during this month, and Venus is also about to try retrograde motion after 2nd March 2025. Venus will give you stability during its difficult time because there are a lot of planets are present in your fourth house and also creating a situation like you may face some type of disturbance stuck into your work and your home related matter. But beside all of this, Venus will give you some type of strength. Venus will give you comfort. Venus will give you stability regarding your fourth house movement because fourth house will give you comfort, your stability, your home zone is represented by fourth house. So Venus will give you some type of good result regarding all of this matter. Also, sixth house is right now occupied by Jupiter. Jupiter's Lord Venus is will be in its executive position. So if you are dealing with some court case, litigation, argument, especially if you are stuck into some property related court case, then things will turn into your favor in the month of March. Moon controls your 8th house, and right now Moon is also present into your 4th house in the sign of Pisces. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard it's set according to 1st March 2025 because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in a single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how things you judge your moon transit in your chart on monthly basis. First, for whenever moon is starting from 6, 8, and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may face some type of difficulties, issues, and problem in our life. Because these are considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problems, and difficulties are always associated with these house. Second important thing to judge moon transit in that whenever moon is transiting from near any naturally massive planet in transit, and naturally massive planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So during these days, also we can expect we may face some type of issues, problem, or difficulties in our life. So that's the easiest way to judge moon transit in a monthly basis in everyone's per chart. Mars controls your 5th house and your 12th house, and right now Mars is starting from your 7th house in the sign of Gemini. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolation, your hospitalization, imagination, sleep pattern, space, long-term investment, jail, asylum, all of these things is related by 12th house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, all of matter related to your people whom you love is seen from 5th house. Your fond people who are you fond of is seen from 5th house. So your 5th house and 12th house lord is right now in your 7th house. If you have any sincere love relationship, then this time we can expect you will get the opportunity to turn your relationship into marriage. If you have any sincere love relationship, because your 5th house lord is right now transiting from your 7th house. If you're already married, then you need to be very careful where you're communicating with your spouse and your business partnership, or where you're in journal when you meet people during this time, because your emotions will be very difficult position right now, because there are many planets are predicted into your 4th house, and 4th house will be your emotions. 4th house also connected to your emotion. 7th house is also connected to your emotion, because from 7th house we see your spouse, your relationship in journal. That's why I'm saying you need to be very careful till Mars is transiting from the 7th house in the sign of Gemini, because 7th house Lord is also in its habitation state and also about to turn into its to create motion. So we can expect these results for all the state areas for Indian people. Our today's video monthly prediction of March 2025 for all the city areas ascended ends here. I hope you will like this video. This video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.